WhisperClip AI just dropped, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share whether or not it's truly worth your time and money. First, if you want to test out WhisperClip AI yourself, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive right into what makes WhisperClip AI stand out in a crowded market of AI tools. It's a game changer for anyone looking to automate video editing, specifically for turning voice recordings into professional-looking video clips. One of the biggest selling points of WhisperClip is its ability to turn your audio into polished videos in a matter of minutes. It automatically transcribes and syncs the audio with visuals, saving you hours that you'd normally spend on editing. Whether you're a content creator or a marketer, this tool is designed to make your life easier. Next, the software boasts an AI that learns from your previous projects. This means the more you use it, the more it fine-tunes the output to match your unique style. It's like having an AI editor that's constantly improving and adapting to your preferences, which is a huge win for consistency and quality. Another major feature I love is its integration with other platforms. WhisperClip allows you to upload directly to YouTube, Instagram, and other video sharing sites. This means you don't have to waste time downloading and re-uploading your video. With just a couple of clicks, your content is ready for the world to see. But here's the thing. This software isn't just about speed and convenience. The AI is pretty sharp when it comes to optimizing your content for maximum engagement. It provides suggestions for better titles, tags, and descriptions based on trending keywords, ensuring your videos get discovered by a larger audience. This is incredibly helpful for anyone who's serious about growing their online presence. For those of you concerned about privacy, WhisperClip AI's security features are top-notch. It complies with all major data protection regulations, so your content and personal information are safe and secure. Now, let's talk pricing. While WhisperClip AI is offering a free trial, it's worth noting that its subscription plans are competitively priced. For the value it delivers, especially with the time it saves, it's well worth considering if you're a regular content creator. Lastly, let me be clear, WhisperClip AI isn't perfect. Like any new tool, there are some areas that could use improvement, especially when it comes to complex video edits. But for the basic features, it's incredibly powerful and intuitive. If you're ready to try WhisperClip AI for free, click the link in the description below. And remember, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations in the description as well. Whether you're into content creation or digital marketing, there's something for everyone. So, is WhisperClip AI worth it? If you're looking to save time and improve the quality of your content, the answer is yes. I definitely recommend giving it a try.